Looking to make your lessons more fun and interactive? Introducing Classroom Bingo, the Google Sheets add-on that transforms learning into an exciting, educational game. It's perfect for teachers looking to engage their students with a fun group activity. First, I'll show you how to use Classroom Bingo as an educator. Second, I'll walk you through how to create your own Classroom Bingo game. Third, I'll show you how to install it in Google Sheets with a bonus offer at the end to help you get started quickly. Here's how it works. Students receive a copy of a Google Sheets with several Classroom Bingo worksheets, with 24 questions and their corresponding answers hidden within the grid. As students answer the questions correctly, the matching bingo squares turn green, giving instant feedback and a sense of progress. The goal can be flexible, whether it's filling the entire board, completing an O pattern, or forming an 8-figure pattern. This game-based approach keeps students engaged and makes learning both challenging and enjoyable. As a teacher, you might be wondering how easy or hard it is to create your own Classroom Bingo game. It's actually quick and easy. First, open a new Google Sheet and launch Classroom Bingo from the Extensions menu. Follow the on-screen simple steps. For Step 1, provide 24 questions in column A and their corresponding answers in column B. The questions can be math, science, language arts, or any other subject. Then for Step 2, from the Classroom Bingo sidebar, select whether you'd like to initially see all the answers or not, and what border color you'd like your worksheets to have. Then click Generate. And just like that, your questions and answers are transformed into an interactive Classroom Bingo worksheet. You have full control over the content. Whether you're teaching math, vocabulary, science, or history, you can easily adapt Classroom Bingo to fit your subject. The flexibility of the winning criteria ensures the game aligns with your teaching goals, keeping students motivated and eager to participate. Installing Classroom Bingo is simple. Just follow the link in the description to the Google Workspace Marketplace, click Install, and follow the on-screen instructions. Select your Google account and allow the Classroom Bingo to generate worksheets for you. Once installed, you'll find Classroom Bingo in the Extensions menu of Google Sheets, ready to use. And for a limited time, we're offering a free Bingo math worksheet to help you get started right away. This fully functional sample is perfect for introducing your students to the game. The link is in the description. Just make a copy and get your students excited about learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more free templates and classroom tools. Let's make learning fun with Classroom Bingo.